Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include adaptive cruise control, high beam assist, rear view camera, steering wheel controls. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2023 Elantra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system, MP3 player.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.